Hello and welcome to another cocktail kitchen. This is the second take because my wife just told me energy after I did 10 seconds of the last take. So, welcome to the cocktail kitchen. We are going to be preparing another classic today. Fairly simple to make, enjoyed all over the world. It's the Cosmopolitan. A lot of us were probably familiarized or introduced to the Cosmopolitan because of Sex in the City. It's what they used to drink on that show all the time. And Kim Cattrall would be saying something like, I'd give that cocktail a rim job. Just like that. Dripping with innuendo. What we're going to use today is going to be Absolute Citron again. You can use a plain vodka in this, just like in the lemon drop, but it is going to do the drink a service if you use a citrus vodka. We're going to use Cointreau. If you don't have Cointreau, you can use Grand Marnier, that's the extra fancy, or triple sec, that's the basic, but it'll be okay. We are going to use a splash or a sploosh of sugar syrup. We're going to use some freshly squeezed lime juice. I actually got this out of my freezer because remember the last video I said you can freeze lime and lemon juice and they'll be fine for future drinks? I had to do that today because I'm very short on citrus. The groceries come on Monday. But there's still plenty in house to drink. No one's getting scurvy here in Urmston. I'll make sure of that. Now, what we're going to do is ice in the shaker. That's already there. We're going to use, in our recipe today, there are many variations on this. Everyone likes to put their own spin. But we're going to do a shot and a half of the citrus vodka, making it a fairly stiff drink already. We're going to do 1 shot of lime juice. Then we are going to do... Ooh, that's a new bottle. I had an open one already. Okay, we're going to do 1 shot of Cointreau, triple sec, or Grand Marnier, whatever it was we're using. We're just going to do a sploosh of sugar syrup there. Didn't even measure that. That's how carefree I am. Now, in a classic Cosmo, you're just using the cranberry to give the drink a pinkish tinge. It's not actually in there to be one of the flavor components. But a lot of modern bartenders put a little bit more in because people actually like the taste of cranberry. So if you want to go old school, just put a couple drops of cranberry in there so you have a very light pink drink. But if you really like the taste of cranberry, go a little heavier on your pour. I'm going to skate around the middle of those two things because I'm a purist. I also really like cranberry, so I am putting a generous sploosh of cranberry sauce in there. Now comes time to shake. Here we go. As always, use your shaking time to get out your frustrations. What's bothering you today? Why don't outside grooms sweep up grass more efficiently? All right, so let that go. I'm going to give that a little bit of a nudge to loosen it. Now, we're going to strain into a cocktail glass. There we go. Blub, 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 blub. That's a nice pink color. That does look very, very beautiful, even if I say so myself. Now, this is a drink that has a garnish. Some people use limes. The recipes, traditional recipes, call for lemons. You can use a lemon spiral, which I will show you how to do on another tutorial. I cut my thumb yesterday because I was cooking, and I'm not going to take any chances. This is why I never cooked in the before times. What we're going to do is we're just going to take a little slice of lemon skin, just pressing that knife, just so I can get sort of like the epidermis of that lemon. I'm not even trying to get any of the white stuff underneath. I'm just looking for the skin because this is where all the oil is. I'm going to spin it around on the rim of that glass. And then we're going to give it a little twist. And we're just going to drop it in the cocktail like that. Now that lime has a little bit of lemon dancing around in it. And let's remember Sex in the City as we drink this. I'd give your end a week. Cheers.